today's video, I'll be coloring my hair at home. So, gusto ko itong i-try. Ito yung L'Oréal Paris na silver ash na hair color. So, hindi kasi ako nagpapasalon. So, I always color my hair at home and I'll show you lang how I do it. Very simple lang, as in very casual lang na naglalagay lang talaga ako ng pangkulay. But yeah, so I'll be sharing with you my current hair color. Ito yung current. And ito yung tatry ko. This is the Silver Ash 9.11. New trendiest shade ng L'Oréal Paris. So let's see. I think magda-dark yung hair color ko sa ganito. But ito yung color niya now. And yung roots ko kasi ang itim na. So, yun. Let's color our hair. So, the kit includes ito, colorant. And ito is the developer. And meron ding protective pre-color serum. And protective conditioner. So after na to, when we wash na my hair. And ito for this. Para ma-even yung pagkulay. So, I'll be preparing this na and let's start. Okay, so na-mix ko na yung colorant and yung developer. Ay! Okay, so na-mix ko na yung colorant and developer. And just mix it. But first, I'll add this muna. Ito yung protective pre-color serum. So, just add this first sa hair. Sorry if rinig niyo yung mga dogs sa labas. Yeah. Okay, so I'll just apply this all over my hair. There! Protective serum done. Okay, next is we'll apply this, but of course, we'll need gloves. Actually, I'll need the gloves. So, ito yung pamphlet niya. And it contains gloves. So, I know na how to do this kasi L'Oreal talaga yung lagi kong ginagamit. But yung process nga nun is you have to mix yung colorant and developer. You have to use the protective serum and then apply mo lang sa hair mo and then you use their conditioner after. So, yeah. So, let's start now with the actual hair color. So, ang challenge nito guys is wala akong mirror. So, walang mirror sa bathroom na to. So, ito yung mirror ko, yung viewfinder. Okay, so kung medyo natutuling ako, nakatingin ako dito sa taas, hindi dito sa camera. Okay? Let's start. Okay, so unahin muna natin yung ends kasi based sa mga nabasa ko, mas madaling mag-color yung roots. So, baka masyadong maging light yung roots and hindi na pumatay dito. So, let's start first with here sa baba. Okay, I just add a couple of hair color. And yun lang, gusto parang ano lang, may shampoo lang. Okay, so most of my hair are covered na with the hair color dito, banda. And then, let's now proceed sa roots ng hair. So, the way I color my hair is parang nagsha-shampoo lang. Kasi, hindi ako masyadong tutok. Kasi, parang, for some reason, pumapantay naman siya. But baka mapahiya ako, baka hindi pantay this time. But yeah, for some reason, pag madami naman yung hair color and consistent naman yung paglagay ng amount, pumapantay naman siya. Magically. So let's do another roots. Okay, so since meron sa taas, let's proceed with the back. Okay guys, so since most of my hair are colored na, nalagyan ko na siya ng hair color, ubusin ko lang to make sure na pantay. Kasi usually kung nauubos ko naman yung bottle, I'm assured na lahat ng hair strands covered. So ubusin ko lang to and pantayin ko lang a bit and then I'll get back to you after 30 minutes when we rinse na the hair. Okay guys, so it's been 45 minutes and ang tapa kasi nung amoy ng hair, so gusto ko na siyang tanggalin. So let's rinse this off and let's see the result. Okay guys, so I'm gonna try to rinse this and pakita ko sa inyo. Oh my gosh. Oh my god! Okay. So, maglalagay na ako ng conditioner. Oh my god, nabasa yung camera ko. I'm so sorry. Okay, this is my hair after I rinsed it off. And let's see pag dry na siya. Ang fail ng video na to. Ano ba? Ba't upload ko pa rin? Okay guys, so ito yun yung hair ko. And ito yung itsura nung hair color. So actually, hindi siya ash like I expected it to be. Kasi ganito siya dapat. It's kind of far from what I expected. Pero okay lang kasi yung hair ko to begin with has brown undertone kasi nga yun yung hair ko before coloring. So medyo nag-blend siya together with the new hair color. But overall, I'm happy kasi at least hindi na black yung roots ko. And pantay naman siya. So magically, nagpantay siya. So that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed watching me color my hair at home. So medyo makalat tong video na to. But yeah, I hope you enjoyed nonetheless. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!